a lot of people think cloud native is about servers. It's about servers that you aren't managing that are in the cloud. And that's useful. That's very useful. I mean, we all like to not have to worry about servers anymore. But for me, cloud native is about the services. It's about managed services that you get access to if you're hosting your own services in the cloud. It's about not having to manage your databases anymore, having that managed not just by an expert team, a super expert team who will do all of that for you, provide enormous levels of redundancy, resilience, uptime. So for me, it's using every single possible service that you can. It's taking full advantage of the services that are available to you from your cloud provider. That is the win of cloud native. So that is, for me, is cloud native. It's all about the services. So my area that I'm interested in is sustainability and the future, how we're going to meet the climate goals that the world has in tech. The easy way of doing that at the moment is just to run on a GCP, Google Cloud, or Microsoft, because they already are carbon neutral across the board. They've got carbon zero goals of 2030. They're moving towards them at a really fast rate. And the big issue with the cloud at the moment is Amazon. Now, Amazon have 4 cloud carbon neutral regions where they'll offset the electricity for you, which is Ireland, Frankfurt, Canada, and Oregon. So you can host there, but that's a small part of their estate, really. Almost all of their data centers are in Virginia. But the trouble is, Virginia is a very coal-fired state, and there's an enormous demand for power because of all of these data centers. So it's actually very, very difficult for those data centers to operate even carbon neutrally, never mind carbon zero. So the big problem we have is, how are we going to resolve that? So that is the dirty secret of cloud at the moment. Well, the irony is that on the other side of the sustainability issue, the underrated superpower of cloud native is it is extraordinarily efficient. It uses electricity really, really efficiently, way better than you could possibly do it yourself. There's no point of you ever really tuning your applications to be efficient these days. What you should be doing is running them in a cloud data center and going cloud native. Don't run them in a dedicated server. If you run them in a dedicated server, then all of the wins of the cloud are out the window for you. What you need to do is concentrate on using their services, which move things around, are quite clever. They're intelligent hosting services. If you really want to get good a good utilization, a good efficiency out of your applications, and that is a secret superpower. They are incredibly efficient.